Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss two topics. The first one is decimal and whole number part. Dear students, if I have given you 15.72, here the number before the decimal, which is 15, is the whole number part. We call the number as whole number part. And the digits which are after the point or the decimal are known as decimal part. We call this as WP, whole number part, and we call this as DP, decimal part. Okay, so why we are dividing them in parts? Because to read the decimals we need to follow some rules. If I am reading a decimal, we need to read the whole number part as a together. Suppose I will read it as 15 and decimal will be read as point, and we read the decimal part as separate digits. The first digit is 7, so I will read it as 7 2. So while reading the decimal, you need to read the whole number part as a complete part, and you need to read the decimal part as two separate digits. So let us see some examples. Here 3.5 is given to you. Here we will read 61.83. We will read it as 61 and it is read as 83. Here we will read it as 928.009. We will read the decimal number as separate digits. Okay, it is mentioned in your book also. So this is the whole number part, this is the decimal part. Okay, in worksheet 2, question 1, we need to read them. So you can read them: 5.3, 71.8, 182.135, 172.001, 1.839, 91.99, 2001.201, 100.100. So while reading a number, we need to follow the rules that we need to read the whole number part as a whole, and we need to read the decimal part as separate digits. So you will read it on your own. And coming to question number 4, here we need to separate the whole number part and decimal part. The first two digits before the decimal are whole number parts, and 231 is the decimal part. Here 2 is the whole number part, 537 is the decimal part, 9 is the whole number part, 27 is the decimal part, 125 is the whole number part, 32 is the decimal part, 62 is the whole number part, 104 is the decimal part, 0 is the whole number part, 43 is the decimal part, 41 is the whole number part, 0 is the decimal part. So on the basis of decimal and whole number part, you will do question 1 of worksheet 2, which is reading, and question number 4, which is separating the whole number and decimal part. Now let us start today's second topic, which is converting mixed number or fractions into decimals. Here I am taking a few examples from the previous day. I have taken 7 by 10. There is 1 0. So from the numerator, we will put the point after one place. So we will put the point before 7, which is 0.7, or we can write it as 0.7. Okay. Similarly, if I will see 14 upon 10. So here is 1 0. I will put the decimal from after one place. So it will become 1.4. We will put 0 when we will not have any whole number part. If we will have whole number part, there is no need to put 0. Suppose I have given you 223 upon 10. So you will put the decimal after one place from the right side. Okay, so it will become 22.3. Okay, so let us now, today we will start with hundreds place. Suppose the same number 223 I have given you for 100. There are 2 zeros in 100. So we will count two digits, first digit, second digit, we will put decimal here. So answer will be 2.23. You will count two digit, first digit, second digit, you will put decimal here. But if I have given you 7 upon 100, there are 2 zeros, but there is only one digit. So I will put 1 0 extra. Now there are two digits. So I can easily count two digits, first digit, second digit, I can put decimal here. So my answer can be 0.07 or 0.07. So when there is shortage of digits, you can put extra zeros. Okay. So let us take one more example. Suppose I have given you 141 upon 100. There are 2 zeros. Okay. So I will count two places, first, second. So decimal will come here. Okay. So here we have learned how to convert hundreds into decimal. Okay. Now I am taking thousands. Okay. For thousands, if 1000 is given to you in the denominator, what will you do? Let us take the example 7 upon 1000. Dear students, just count the number of 0. There are 3 zeros, but there is only one place. So I will make 2 more extra places by putting extra zeros. Now we have 3 places. 1, 2, 3. We can easily put the decimal. So my answer will be 0.007. How can I read it as? Separate digits 0.007, or you can write it as 0.007. Both the answers will be correct. Suppose I have given you 92 upon 1000. There are 3 zeros, but there are only 2 places. So I will put 1 more extra 0. Now I have 3 places to count on. 1, 2, 3. I can put decimal here. It can be 0.092 or 0.092. What if I have 4 digits? 1421 upon 1000. Now there will be no shortage of digits. So what I can do? I can easily count on 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. I can put the decimal. 1.421 will be the answer. So in this we have learned how to convert fractions with denominator 100 or 1000 into decimal. Now I am taking examples of mixed number. Suppose I have given you 15:3/10. Dear students, this 15 will always be considered as whole number part. Okay, so my whole number part is there. Now you just need to find the decimal part. There is 1 0 and there is 1 place. Okay, so we have no shortage of digits. So directly I can put the decimal and I can write 3. So it will be 15.3. If suppose the same question will be for 100. Okay, so 15 will become the whole number part. Now there are 2 zeros and there is only 1 place. So I have shortage of digits, so I will put 0. Okay, you always have to put 0 on the left side. You cannot put 0 on the right hand side. You cannot make it as 3 0. Okay, so you can make it as 0 3. So I have made 2 digits. So I can write 15.03. When there will be shortage of digits, you can put extra zeros on the left hand side. Same question I am taking for 1000 also. If suppose I have given you 1000, there are 3 0, there is only 1 digit. So I will put 2 extra 0. It will become 15.003. Okay. I am taking one more example. 9153 upon 1000. There are 3 zeros, there are 3 places. There is no shortage of digits. So my answer will be whole number part will be 9 and decimal part will be 153. Okay. So with the help of the same, you can do question 7 of worksheet 2. 15, there is 1 0, there is 1 digit. It will become 15.3. There are 2 0, but there is 1 digit. So I need to put 1 more 0. It will become 7.08. There are 2 zeros, there are 2 digits. So 10.12. 3 zeros, 3 digits. The same I have explained you here. 2 zeros, 2 digits. So directly whole number part and decimal part. 1 0 and 1 digit, 46.1. See this one, G part I am explaining you over here. It is 76 2 upon 1000. There are 3 zeros and there is only 1 digit. So I will put 2 zeros. It will become 76.002. Okay. This number which is Q in the QRD form, it will always come as whole number part. Okay. And we just need to manage these two according to the number of zeros. So now I have 555/100. It will become 5.55. Okay, there are 2 zeros and 2 places. So today you will do worksheet 2, question 1, which is reading. You can read it yourself. Okay, question 4 in the book and question 7 in the book. Okay, now coming to worksheet 3, we have already done this. How we have done this? By converting the fractions into decimals. There are 2 zeros, so we need to make 2 places. It will become 0.03 or 0.03. It is 12 upon 100. There are 2 zeros and 2 places. It will directly become 0.12 or 0.12. See, 178 upon 100. 178 upon 100. There are 2 zeros, so we will put decimal after 2 places. First place, second place, we will put decimal here. Okay. So it will be 1.78. After 2 places, you will put decimal. First place, second place, 35.72. Here, there are 3 zeros, but there is only 1 digit. So we will put 2 extra zeros. It will become 0.007. There are 3 zeros, but only 2 digits. So we will put 1 extra 0. It will become 0.092. Again there are 3 0, only two digits, so we will put one more 0. Okay, now coming on to the question 2. These all are same. Okay, only worksheets are different. These all are same. In this, I need to convert the decimal into the fractions. Okay, so while converting the decimal into the fractions, we need to count again the number of digits. But where we will count the number of digits? In the decimal part. So I am converting decimals into fractions. Okay, so there are two digits, so two zeros will come in the denominator, means 100 will come. Two zeros means 100, and 1 0 means 10, and 3 0 means 1000. So if I have given you 6.7, okay, there is one decimal place, so it will become 67 upon 10. You will not change the number, you just have to put 10 or 100. Okay, if suppose I have to convert the same in the mixed number form, I can do that also. This number will become the whole number part. We have already known this is the whole number part, this is whole part WP, and this is decimal part DP. So this will become the Q quotient and 7 by 10, because there is only one decimal part. So let us see the question 2. There are two digits, so 100 will come. Two digits, 100 will come. There are two digits, so 100 will come. Two digits, 100. Two digits, again 100. There are three digits, so for three digits, how many zeros? Three zeros. So 1000 will come. Okay, so you can do worksheet 3 also in the book. So today's task is question 4 and 7 of worksheet 2 in the book and worksheet 3 in the book, and question 1 is for reading only, so you can read it. Thank you so much. Go through the video to understand the concept better.